Well, here I did it too, just like everybody else, and I tell you right now, you should do it too. And what I'm talking about? Go to Ross. Go to Ollie's. I've been to Ollie's a couple times. I got a few things from Ollie's. Not really so much from Ross. Now, I've been seeing videos about people picking up stuff from Ross, especially with the G.I. Joe Classified, that I just jumped down that rabbit hole ever since my son gave me the Desert Commando Snake Eyes, and I said it right. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I got real quick. I won't make it long. I'm not going to do a complete unboxing on everything. I'm just going to do an unboxing on a couple things right now, or 3 things in this one. This is included. But just to show you that the prices are, $5.99, you can't beat it. Can't beat that. $5.99 for that, and a artist Warhammer Space Marine, $8.99. This I'm not going to open and show you because it doesn't, you see it, it's gray. I plan on doing some stuff with this in the near future when it comes to customizing. But at Ollie's here, skip to Ollie's really quick, $5.99 right there. And I got my first ever Fortnite Victory Royal series. I don't know nothing about it. I don't play Fortnite. I don't really particularly like Fortnite. But anyway, I got this to go with my classified G.I. Joes. Anyway, while we're at it, I got another Battle Cat for a possible repaint. So somebody's always trying to walk down the door or walk in front of the door, right? It sounds like Godzilla's walking through the house. But anyway, $9.99 right there. Just about good condition. My daughter found that for me and she says, here, how about this one? I said, sure. So we're going to break away here. We're going to open these up. Okay, before we open these up, I'm going to open up one of these real quick, really fast. Hopefully it's in there, but it should be. Because I love the packaging in this. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I can't get enough of it. I really can't. I can't get it. You know why it doesn't make any sense? I can't get enough of that. Because this is the best packaging I think ever. Okay, everything's out of the package. I'm going to let him spin. Fortnite Metal Mouth, I think what it is. Pretty sure. But anyway, this here, I'm going to leave this one in the box. We're not going to open this one up. He's in there. Hopefully he's in there. But anyway, we're going to leave him in a box because of the sake of the video being too long. I don't make it too long for you guys. Is that I'll talk about on this one what I'm going to do to these two. So, but I tell you, Classified, G.I. Joe Classified, hands down, has the best packaging presentation ever. And I'm more and more surprised on how good these figures look. Now, the funny story about this is that I went to Ross, the first Ross, and I got this one, the one right here in front of us. I got that one. And I seen it there. It was a package, and it was kind of, well, no, it's not this, the other pack. It was kind of damaged on the side, and I seen it upside down on the shelf in the back of some other stuff that was laying on the shelf. Very weird. I was like, I can't find nothing. I don't see anything. What's, whatever. So I picked it up and bought it. And I was like, oh man, I landed barbecue. And I did see the other guy. I can't remember his name. The guy with the alligator for $11. Didn't see him. So I went in there. I seen the other G.I. Joes, the twins. I didn't like them too much. I'm not gonna go too deep in the G.I. Joe Classified, but I will probably start collecting them on sale maybe, and whatever. I'll pick some up. Anyway, the accessories here is his backpack. And do I love me a flamethrower figure? Do I love it? I love it. I love me a flamethrower figure. Love it. Anyway, this is hose, I assume. It's a hose. I assume it goes in here. I assume that's the hose part. Here's the gun part. Right there. Let's wrap it around down here real quick. Like I said, I'm not going to try to make this too long. I'm sure there's been 1,000 videos for barbecue here. And I do know, well, let's get this first. I'm jumping ahead of myself. The accessories look great. Right next to McFarlane. They're very good in detail. Very good in detail. I love these things. I love this figure. Great figure. Okay, so now up close. I'm not going to do any kind of articulation. You guys know all this stuff here. Now, here's the plan. Here's the plan with this. What I'm going to do, I bought 2 of them, obviously. I'm going to make one red and one orange. The red primarily will be where the green and black is. And up here, it's going to be metal color, like a old, maybe some charcoal looking stuff up here with some shading. And that's going to be I'm going to make the barbecue twins. That's the plan. So, but outside of that, man, before I get to the Fortnite one, these figures look great, man. I know I had no clue how good the Classified series was. I did love me some G.I. Joe back into the day, the 3 3/4, way back in the day. But I do love me some, I don't even know how this even goes. Does this go in here? I don't think so. But anyway, I don't know how it goes. I gotta look on a box. I'm a noob when it comes to that. I see it's on the side. I'm on the side up here. They don't fit too good on the stands. May have to get some other stands, but don't fit too good for the DC stands. Oh, there we go. That's badass. That's cool. I love it. I know, sounds dumb, but like I said, I haven't had a G.I. Joe figure in years, man. I'm gonna try to get them on a stand so we can get to the Fortnite one, just so I can get this going, get this up in the air. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's not gonna work as well as I thought. In the video, I said, I don't know how. I'll tell you one thing. I don't know how people have patience with. Maybe it goes to the other hand. I don't know. I don't know how people have patience when it comes to toy photography. If I could speak, probably don't. It doesn't fit in his hand too well. Am I going in the right hand? I hope I don't have to heat it up to get it in his hand. Anyway, oh, there we go. It's in his hand now. I like this. This is good. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love that, man. Man, I love it. I might have to take a break from DC for a while, man. I'll tell you that. There is a 2-pack coming out with the Batman and Bizarro. I've seen that. I did see that. It looks good. Let's get Fortnite off the ground here. Or Metal Mouth, whoever he is. I don't really care. I could probably possibly army build both of these. Nah, not so much these. Two's fine. Two's fine. Now let's get right to the main thing here that I know. First Fortnite figure. Let me get this out of the way. First Fortnite figure. I'm impressed, but not so much impressed. A little bit of movement, but I don't really care, because normally when I stage my stuff, I leave them, and I may change them around a little bit. Not a whole lot, but I do change them around. I don't know what this is about. Maybe it's part of the game. These are kind of dumb, to be honest. These aren't going to be used. I may switch this out a gun with another gun, a different gun. I don't like that. I'm not so much into sniping. When I play video games, I like to run and gun and be a heavy and just rip and tear. That's what I like to do. So that's just me. Damn, I tell you, I'm having fun tonight. I'll tell you that right now. Can't get going here. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so god damn, man, this fucker don't want to hold nothing. Man, god damn. Shoo. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're back. I dropped him, put the gun in, swiveled his arm around. I do like it. I do like it. I may get a couple more of these if Ollie's had them. There was only a few of them with the tree guy, whoever he is, I don't know. Here's his backpack. Backpack looks good. I like they actually added some colors to the backpack. Not so much on the G.I. Joe Classified Desert Commando, but it's okay, because I think I'm going to switch that up a little bit. But I tell you, man, and I know I like to say I tell you, don't I? This is a good looking army builder. I think the gun's too big for it. I think the gun's too big. I don't know why the gun's so big. I think it looks dumb. Let's get this over here. Tell you that, man, this is some nice stuff. So here we go. At the end of the video, I got my other barbecue in the box. I got the Metal Mouth, or whatever hell's name is, right here. I got the Commando back, Snake Eyes Desert Commando back there. I got Spider-Man ready to come down on him. And I got my custom Speedball ready to crank down on him. But I tell you, man, good figures for $5.99. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will put up a before and after video and maybe a walk along on this one. And if anybody follows the channel, I appreciate it. But at the same, then I'm probably gonna put something up tomorrow. I'm done my Bane. It's just hit a couple snags with the Bane custom. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't want to hold you guys up anymore. I appreciate you guys always watching and checking out the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.